Hey teachers, I just wanted to make a quick video introducing this Chrome extension called Mote. Mote is a voice note and feedback extension that you can add. So you just go to the Chrome Web Store and add that to your browser, and I'm going to show you how you can use it to make read aloud or slides that read directions to students. This is great for younger students or struggling readers. And then I'm going to show you how you can use it to leave voice feedback on an assignment in class. So let's go to a slide deck. And you can see once I've added this extension, it shows up as this little purple button right up here in the corner. So if I click this, it's going to ask me to reload my page. This is so that it will pop up actually in your slides deck, and then it's easier to use. So you'll see once my page reloads here in just a second, that this little purple M has actually popped up in my slides now. So now to use this, I'm just going to go ahead and click, and it says click to start. So once I click this, it's now recording what I'm saying up to about 30 seconds per slide. So I'm going to go ahead and click stop when I'm done if I'm reading the directions. It's going to think about it for a second, and then it will pop up with this box where I can listen to it and make sure it's okay, or I can delete it if I don't like it. But if it's good to go, I can click insert, and it will pop up as this little purple volume button that I can resize and make bigger if I would like. I can move it anywhere on the slide. But then once I'm ready to hear those directions, I can go ahead and click play. It's now recording what I'm saying up to about 30 seconds per. So then if I go to present this, you'll see I have this little purple button, and if I click on it, it automatically plays this up to about 30 seconds per. So then again, I can go ahead and make a new slide, click on this Mote button again, and I'm back restarted with another 30 seconds that I can record for this new slide. So that is Mote in a slide deck. Let me show you how you can use it in classroom. So I'm just going to go to an example assignment that I have here, and I'm going to open it up as if I was grading it like this. And then when I go to add a comment, if I again hit that purple M button and click reload, it will pop up in the classroom page just like it popped up in the slides page. So once my page is reloaded here, you'll see down in the comment section here in just a second, now I have this little purple M. So I can record my comment again with 30 seconds just like I had before. When I'm done, I can click done, and it will allow them to play. Click this little pencil over here. So I can record my comment again with 30 seconds just like I had before. When I'm done, it will let you hear your recording, and then you can click exit, and then you can post this comment just like you would normally. And then that's a great way to leave voice feedback if you have multiple comments to make on somebody's assignment. So that is the Mote extension. I hope that you find this useful, and let me know if you try it out. Hope this helps, teachers.